Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Top Notch Renovation Update 5828-6. I put in a train station here by the boardwalk, and now I am working on this area here. Not sure if you remember, but I had some houses and stuff down there. Tough to see. So now I'm going to build this up, and I'll make some rock walls or something, or maybe block walls or whatever. And then I'm going to continue it down this way. I don't know if you can see down there under the bridge. And then I'm going to come across, and we're going to take that blue insulation or green insulation all the way down, and we're going to make some rock wall there. And I'm still undecided what I'm going to do here as far as buildings or a station or whatnot, but we're going to have to think about that. But I'm thinking a station right about here in this 4 or 5 foot section, and then some buildings built into the rock. But we'll see how it goes. One thing at a time. I want to get working on this area over here and put some of the buildings back.